Welcome to Watch and Share. This is the IELTS speaking test. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is a house or apartment you would like to live in. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. What it would look like, how big it would be, and where it would be located. Today, there are so many different types of houses or apartments that it is really difficult to decide what type of apartments I would like to live in. However, one thing is for sure that I would want my apartment to be equipped with all kinds of modern amenities and features. First of all, I want my apartment to be located at a beautiful suburb, having wide streets, a big and clear lake and lots of trees, which wouldn't be too far away from the city. My apartment should be about 2,000 square feet that have 4/5 rooms with one master bedroom. All the rooms should have a spacious balcony attached to them. The apartment should be located on the 4th or 5th floor of a tall building that has a 24-hour lift or elevator facility and enough empty space around so that I can have a perfect view of my beautiful surroundings from my apartment. Since I want my apartment to be fully loaded with all kinds of modern amenities, I want a modern gym or fitness room that includes a yoga studio in addition to a large hot tub that is full of water, used for hydrotherapy, relaxation, or pleasure. It should also have a digital media and game center with a home theater that has high-end screens and enough reclining chairs to accommodate up to a dozen guests, and a billiard table in order to help me enjoy my time during my leisure hours. Needless to say, I also want a large kitchen with a very modern-looking cabinet, dishwasher, and washing machine in it, and kitchen to be attached to a large dining-cum-sitting area. Finally, in addition to having a Wi-Fi internet system and satellite TV, my apartment should also have an automatic security lock system in order to ensure maximum security. Anyway, I would like to live in this apartment because it would make me feel comfortable enough to spend my time there without ever getting bored. Besides, I would like to live in it because it would also allow me to live close to a natural and clean environment, full of trees and a lake. This is an example of a house or apartment you would like to live in. You can modify your answer. We hope you like this video. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned.